Okay guys, so I'm about to show you guys 3 intros because I can't decide which one looks the best. So I want you guys to comment down in the description, or I mean in the comment section, and say 1, 2, or 3 in the order that it goes, and tell me what intro you guys liked best. That would be super helpful. Thank you. Hey, what's up guys? So today I am going to be hanging with Charlie. Me and him are going to be doing something special, but I can't tell you guys because it's like a surprise, and it will be going up on both of our channels whenever it's all done and finished. So I'm going over there to do that, and I don't really know what else is happening today. I might go to church, we might do something, but this might not be so interesting today. But we will see. I'll keep you guys updated. Right now I'm just chilling in my room waiting for Charlie to text me back to when I go over there. Sorry, the video that was supposed to go up yesterday didn't. It went up this morning, and because my internet was like not working, so I couldn't get it up yesterday, last night, but I got it up today, this morning, if that made any sense. Alright guys, so right now Charlie's editing the video from yesterday.
Shh. This is gonna be on like 2 weeks.
Oh my god.
My mom said I can only post once a week now. It's August.
Which is very sad.
Sad. And
Right.
I still have like 5 other videos.
So I'm with Charlie. There's his big dog.
She eats people, literally. We're having a meeting
Mona.
and stuff. Cameras.
Ever
Don't know my dad.
Here's the same
On the actual thing.
So we're about to work on the special project.
Dude, I had 69 videos. It was dope.
Ow. Charlie's riding the hoverboard.
She hates. Okay. My dog. Oh, Jesus!
Oh. Her tail is deadly.
I'm terrified. My hallway's too small. Ah! Try this out.
Guys, so Charlie has a video coming out in like 4 weeks.
Yep.
Which like I posted like yesterday. Actually no, I posted it today in the very morning, and it says that Braden is a real pool boy because he didn't want to go on an
Go watch
adventure
that
with
video in a
us.
few weeks. He's like, because he didn't want to go swim in the river, so he's like, I'm going to my grandma's. I'm gonna be a real pool boy.
I'm rather gonna get picked up by my grandma and go in a real pool. I'm gonna be a real pool boy.
Yeah, so if
I
you
told him
ever
that we
see
were putting that
Braden,
in today at cross country. He's like, no, it's illegal to put things that you don't want in videos on YouTube. But
that's
guess
not
what?
illegal.
Guess what? He doesn't watch the video, so he can't tell us what he wants in our videos.
Yeah, so
Bam!
Braden's the real pool boy
Braden
because
is the real
he
pool boy.
didn't want to come swim with us. He wanted to go swim at his grandma's.
Like a real.
Yes, like a real pool boy.
Adult tutorial from Charlie.
And that's how you put on a belt.
Like Charlie Mangan.
Mona, you're looking swag.
Easy. Ah!
Swag, Mona. Swag. Charlie, you're gonna poke her eye out.
Stop moving.
This is the thumbnail. It's the thumbnail. It's perfect. Mona, you look like a librarian.
Oh my god. Oh man. When you look
No,
like
she
you're-
turned into a rapper. how to turn into a rapper in 2 seconds.
Oh my, that needs to be a 30-second video on my channel.
Okay guys, so right now, we're at the church.
Filming something.
Filming
that is
important thing.
Whoa.
So yeah, we're at the church. I know this vlog won't be interesting at all because we have other things to do that are more important. You're not doing that. Guys, there's a bat in the building. Oh my gosh, it's a bat. Where is it?
Was that Charlie's scream?
Wait, how did he get over there?
Hey, he's a big one compared to the other.
Oh my god.
Hey, we need to close this door. We don't want any little sanctuary.
Oh gosh. Charlie, look at the bat.
Open the door.
You know, we can turn a light on. Look at his tail, man.
Oh my.
Get him in here.
Oh my god.
Open the heavy door.
Where'd it go? Oh. Oh. Oh, look how low it is. Yes.
Well, that was the easiest we've gotten rid of one yet. Usually I have to wait until they
Did you get it?
He's out.
Thank you.
We chased him out the door.
What is that?
You should hear.
Dude, where'd it go?
This is for
Where'd the
the
song go, bro?
This is for the
I need the
vlog.
song.
This is for the vlog.
What? For the vlog?
The vlog.
This is for the vlog. For the
What?
vlog, bro.
Yeah.
Hey guys, subscribe, like, do all that jazz. You know, it's the greatest thing ever. Support Gabe, my best friend. Go for it.
Okay guys, so we are at the we're at my house
We're not.
and we just left the church. We're just
was that out loud?
We're at my
for
house.
you to edit. Okay, I'll be good now.
Oh, so close. That doesn't count. I can do it better than that. Not that either. I can do it though. Just one. Third time's the charm, right? What did I say? Third time's the charm. There's 2 in a row right there. And it failed. Alright, just wanted to show you guys that. Pretty cool. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up the video today. Let me pause this other video. That's gonna wrap up the video. I hope you guys liked the video. Remember to comment down what intro you like the most and say 1, 2, or 3 in the order that they went, and comment that down, and that'll help me out a lot on which one you guys want to see at the beginning of the video. They're all pretty cool, but I just want to know which one you guys like the most, and I'll use that one in the rest of my videos. So remember to do that, and look for the emoji. Nobody found it in the last video, so there was no shout out in this video. So yeah, do all that. I'll see you guys in the next video, which is tomorrow.